Hey y'all! Okay, first I'm going to get started by putting some face primer all over my face. Then after that, I'm going to apply some white face paint using a foundation brush all over my face. And after that, I'm going to put some face powder using a puffy brush all over my face, like this. Now, I'm going to use some bright shimmery eyeshadow for my highlighting and a blue makeup crown for my contouring. Now, I'm going to apply the face stickers and gems, like so. And now, for my eyes, I'm going to use some face paint and also some eyeliner. I was going to put on some falsies, but apparently that was a little difficult, so I'm just going to put on some mascara, like this. And now I'm going to put on some white shimmery lipstick and then some silvery glittery lip gloss. I was going to put on the ears, but that was a little difficult, so I'll just put on my wig like this. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, please click that like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Also, I'd like to give a huge shout out to my Patreons, Polly B, Billy Bixby, and VMAX. Thank you guys so much. Bye.